So today I'm gonna be building a small, tiny version of a flag. It's about 19.5 inches long and 10.5 inches wide. And what I have here is some scrap wood that I pulled out of a construction dumpster, as well as all of those right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rip them at 5/8 of an inch this way, which will give me this. Then I can then again rip it. It'll be 5/8. I should be able to get 2 strips out of each one of these. So stay tuned. So I want to take this time to talk about table saw safety. Just make sure you're aware of where your blade is at all times in regards to your fingers, because while making this flag, or these flags I should say, I had a little accident where my thumb hit my table saw blade. I didn't get it on camera, unfortunately, because I probably would have showed you guys what happened. But yeah, just remember, make sure you're always using a push stick like I have in the video. Sometimes, I forget or I get too cocky in a sense, and accidents happen. So just always be aware, and I just enjoy what you do and have fun while you're doing it. Thanks. So now that we have it ripped down to 5/8 of an inch, we're going to lower our table saw blade to where it's barely above it right here, and I'm pretty sure I can get this through twice, but I guess we'll find out. So my camera died and I didn't get any of this on camera, but here we are, strips chopped in half. Again, this is wood that I pulled from a construction dumpster. Now we're gonna cut these down to about 19.5 inches. So let's go. So now with some scrap, I'm gonna cut some backing strips for the actual flag itself. So here we go. Hey guys, so I forgot to set up my camera to show how I was burning the stripes, but it's pretty straightforward. Just it depends on what you like or how you want to do it. If you want to do a light burn, if you want to do a heavier burn, I kind of just go over it until I like the way the grain looks. Everybody's a little different, but yeah. Anyways, what I'm about to do now is I'm going to paint the solid red stripes, let them dry, and I'm gonna come up a way to finish those ones off to where I can paint the union and the stripes. I think I might use some tape, but yeah, I haven't figured that out, but here we go. So now we are gonna wait for it to dry. And my white stripes, the red and blue ones, the solid reds, and the white and blue ones. And these I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. I just might burn those on the back, but progress. So as you can see here, some of the stars on the flag are not the same size, and that happened to several of the flags that I cut, and you'll see that later in the video. But ultimately, in the end, I should have just used a stencil and just called it good, but I kind of wanted to see if I could get away with just using my CNC, because it is time consuming when trying to carve out stars with my Dremel. I decided not to finish the rest of the flags. I have 2 more left, and you can kind of see why. So the stars are not even on, I want to say 3 of them, and you can kind of see that the surfaces were uneven, where one star was bigger and on the other corner the star was perfect, which that variation is not too bad, but this one is bad. So one of the stripes you can see is lower than the others, therefore the star was smaller. So when you go to do the flags yourself, I will just use a stencil if you're using individual stripes. But if you plan on just doing the unions separate, then I would go that route and just put the union on the CNC, carve out the union, then reattach it to the flag. But hey, this is a learning curve, so hopefully you guys learn from my mistake. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching the full video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope that you found this video informational on what to do, what not to do while trying to make a union on the CNC. Thanks, and I hope you all have a great day.